Welcome back to another ConcernTracker.com tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Concern Tracker as a journal for your work, your health, or whatever you need it for. Let's start a journal of work done at apartment units. Now, step 1 is to add our concerns, which will be the apartment units themselves. Notice the March 18 at the top of the page. That date, when you first log in, will always be the current date. Now, after you enter all these things and you come back the next day, you might be a little surprised to see that none of them are present. By default, concerns are intended to be added to each day that they're needed for. But when you're using the same concerns over and over again, there's a faster way. So let's click on the little calendar minus to go to the previous day, and then click on each of the little pin icons for all of our concerns, and that will allow us to very quickly populate them on future days. So then we click the calendar plus to go back to the next day, click on add all pinned concerns, and there they are for us. Now let's actually record the work we did for the day. So we click on the little clipboard, and then step 2 is to add a question. In this case it'll be furnace filter changed, and for step 3 we need to add a response. In this case, all we need to leave is an empty space as a response because the question itself conveys all the information we need. Then we just click the date at the top to go back and update the other units on the first floor with the same information. And if that's everything we did for the day, we can click on the little X next to the other apartment unit concerns and remove them from this date. And then anytime we want to see what was done on a given day, we can scroll down, click on Review Checkup, and we get a full list of all the concerns and all the questions and responses for that day. You can also track things that aren't necessarily specific to any particular day. You could create a has a dog question, and then for the response you could include its temperament and its name, so you know for future reference. And then once you've entered that for all of your apartments, you can go to Review Question History, search for the has a dog question, and you can see all the apartments and all the dogs in one glance. Now if things change, for example a tenant moves out, you can click on the concern in the question history and it'll take you right to that record. You can delete it one of two ways. You can either just highlight the input and delete and then say responses, or you can click on the little X and it'll gray things out and say responses, and it'll confirm to make sure you want to do that, and it'll remove both the question and the response. Then we can just click on the little heartbeat in the upper left. It'll take us to the current dates checkup, and we can go to Review Question History, search for the has a dog question again, and we see that there's only a single dog left, and we aren't confused by some old history that isn't accurate anymore. Instead of a work journal, perhaps you would benefit from a health journal. Let's say you want to monitor a chronic condition like fibromyalgia, so you could create that as a concern, click on the little clipboard, then create a pain level question, either enter a number or a few words to describe your pain level on that day. Then we can click on the pin so it automatically populates on each new day. Then if you want to have a review how your pain has changed over time, you can go to Review Concern History, enter in fibromyalgia, and you can see what you've recorded over time and whether it's gone up or down and how well you're managing your pain. Or perhaps your doctor is trying to adjust one of your medications and want to see whether it helps or hurts. You can create a concern for that, pin it, and then click on the little clipboard and start adding appropriate questions that you want to answer each day, like side effects or readings that you're going to take. And then the next time you meet with your doctor, you can just go to Review Concern History, type in that concern, and you have all your notes there, and you're able to share with them whatever they need. That's it for this tutorial, and remember, if you can type it, you can track it at ConcernTracker.com.